Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to analyze the market live now in this thing. So let's get into Nifty first. Nifty on a daily time frame. Okay, let me just clear all this thing now, so it's easy for us to analyze it. Now if you guys see, markets on a range. Okay, so we do have good amount of space on both the sides because people trade Nifty on daily time frame, that is they do intraday. So let me analyze it really quick. So basically, what is the market structure now? Market is on an uptrend. Okay, it did gap down because of the war scenario, and again it gapped up and it started continuing. Here it hit a threshold. Okay, so here it has hit a good sideways market. Okay, if we go to 1 hour time frame and see, we see there is a good resistance here. Okay, this is a good resistance which was respected, and this is a good support which is respected. Okay, this is a good support which is respected. Okay, so tomorrow what is my view? So tomorrow my view on market is, if I go to 15 minutes time frame, if I see market was going up, this was a trend line. Okay, this was a trend line which was going up. Okay, this trend line got broken now. So now my view on market is, if market opens anywhere in the middle, okay, there is resistance and support on both the side. That is, if it opens somewhere here, this is the resistance and this is support on the lower time frame. So if it crosses 19,670, okay, if it crosses something like this, I will definitely look forward for a sell. The buy signal is only above this. Okay, that is 19,850 and above is where I will buy. Okay, so I don't see anything else in this chart, at least as of now, because it was sideways, it broke this and it came down and it went back to its same place. That is, it went to its origin. Alright, so this is my view. If it opens somewhere in the middle, I won't be interested, because what will basically happen is market will go down and again up. This is what will happen. Okay, so here people will be putting their straddles and strangle. Okay, option sellers, they'll be doing their straddles and strangles here. They'll have this levels at 19,900 and 19,500 or 400. They'll have it as their strangle, where they'll be eating people's premium. Okay, so this is what happens. Next is Bank Nifty. This is the same picture in Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty has a good trend line coming from above. So if it opens somewhere flat here, again I will short the market, or I will wait for it to come up and then I'll wait for this price. Okay, this price or below this. These are my two entries for Bank Nifty. That is, it has to come to 44,280, or if it breaks down 44,160, I will short it. Okay, so this will be my take profit, that is 1:4. This will be a good target in Bank Nifty. In 1 hour time frame, we'll be able to see a good trend line coming down. This is a good trend line coming down on Bank Nifty. Next, let's go to US oil. US oil has already broken its level and it's started moving up. So if you guys see, I can analyze it again and show you guys. Okay, I've cleared everything. So US oil, this is a resistance which has turned into support now. Okay, it broke, it took support and it's up now. On the lower side, I don't have to see it, because see guys, when a war situation is happening, we know still the war is going on in Palestine and Israel. So when the war time is happening, commodities tend to go up. Commodities tend to go up easily. So this is my next resistance. Where will I enter here? That is pretty subjective, because see, this is a support. Okay, this is the support. So if it crosses this level, that is immediately if it crosses this level, I will buy it here. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, I will buy it here. This will be my target. This swing, okay, I hope you guys can see this. This swing will be my, below this swing will be my stop loss. That is 60 point of stop loss, and take profit of 1:3.5. Okay, 1:3.5 is actually pretty good. There is space here. I will definitely trade it. Downside, if it comes below this, that is if it comes below $86, I will trade for the downside. Downside, this will be my take profit, because there are many order blocks lying here. This is where there are many order blocks lying. So this will be my target. Okay, so downside, I know there is a good risk to reward ratio, but the trend is up. So up is what I'll be looking forward to. And we have 4 stocks today for swing trading on daily time frame. First one's Coal India. We've already suggested it a lot of times. Coal India has given a breakout. This is also a good price to enter. That is 308 rupees will be a good price to enter, and your stop loss can be 296. This is a big stop loss. Okay, this is a big stop loss, but this is where I see there is a lot of stop loss hidden for the sellers. Okay, see, whoever has sold here, his stop loss is here. Okay, if it hits here, then it's a bounce up. That is called as a trap trading. I will teach you guys that later on the learning series. Next one is Varak Engineering. Varak Engineering on a weekly time frame. If you see, it is breaking its weekly resistance. Okay, this is a good break. It's on an uptrend now. It was on a ranging market. It's on an uptrend. Will I look forward for a buy? Yeah, definitely. Why not? Because here there is a good buying has happened. Okay, and it is taking its time here. Euro daily time frame and see it's taking its good time here. But this candle is kind of a suspicious candle for me. There's a higher chance it can come down. But if it breaks this level, that is if it breaks 518, I'm looking forward to buy it. Okay, nothing before that. Next is phase 3. Phase 3 on a daily time frame is looking pretty good. Okay, on a weekly time frame also it's good. So in daily time frame, phase 3 is looking pretty good. It's because too many touches on the resistance. Okay, so resistance has been retested a lot of times here. So basically this resistance has become weak now. Okay, if it breaks about 426, I'm looking forward to buy 426, and this will be my stop loss. That is 405 rupee will be my stop loss. Okay, upside momentum we don't know, we're just gonna trail a stop loss, and this is my support. Okay, so I hope you guys got this picture. Next is Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer has given a breakout on its weekly time frame, guys. Okay, it has given a breakout on its weekly time frame. That too, it was not for a small time. Let's see, from this day to this day, almost 750 days, okay, of consolidation in the same level. It has given a breakout. Even if you have small money, even if you're investing in one quantity, please invest it, because that one can give you 10% easily. Okay, because if you see, the downside is 24%. Okay, it has already moved 3%, 4%. So this is how we define target. Okay, 24%, we take it on the opposite side. If we just minus the 4% down, 20%, we still have a lot of space, okay, to cover on the upper side. So it's totally fine. Tata Consumer product, please buy it. This is not an tip. Okay, this is not a tip. I am buying it. I'm very sorry, I suggested to buy. This is not a tip. I am buying tomorrow Tata Consumers, because one, it's Tata. Second thing, it's given a breakout. Okay, third thing, it looks really good for me. It looks really good for me. Okay, it was in this range, it broke, came down, broke, came down, now it's broke. Okay, I will definitely buy it in this price. Also, I'll buy my half quantity and keep my stop loss below this. If it comes down, it's totally fine. I will buy more because it's in a uptrend. If you guys see, it is in a good uptrend. I will mark it, sorry, it's in a good uptrend. Okay, it's in a good uptrend, so I would definitely buy this stock, but I'll use all my risk management guide and everything. Guys, please use it. I will post that even in this video. On a regular videos, I'll post the risk management sheet and the what to say, how you actually have to manage your risk and everything, where you'll be able to just enter your entry price and stop loss, and it will define the target for you. It will define the quantity, so you'll be able to take quantity according to your risk. Okay, so thank you so much. That's it for today's market analysis video. I hope you guys got to learn something from this. Please like, share and subscribe. Watch my videos regularly. Please go watch the swing trading strategy, which is extremely easy. Even a newcomer can do it. So trading view about this platform where I analyze the market, that video will be out tomorrow at 11 o'clock in the noon. Please look into that too. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.